This is with it charged into the wall. And it charged in to that, the battery. And this tells you, once it quits blinking, it'll be fully charged. You got low, medium, and high right here. Low, medium, and high. And then if the roller brush gets all tangled up, it'll have, I think right here, it'll have like a squiggly line of some sort. That tells you that the roller is tangled, so you got to take the hook tool and get out the it's a real pretty color. And then the chrome polished look tubing. And then you have the roller, which I just used it, and it's an okay suction power. I mean, it's not as good as my Black & Decker that I have, but as you can see, I've already got some squigglies going on in here. Not squigglies, but hairs, as you can see. And there's the name of it. There's motorized brush. Motor power is 15 watts. The only thing is, this part does not lock in place, but it does turn. It's easy to maneuver. The only thing is, are these lights? They don't light up if they do, if this is.